In this video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate your wand. If you just booted Sisu Lab, then you're probably going through the program setup walkthrough where it prompts you to calibrate your wand. That's as simple as just pushing the button. But in the case that you unplug it and plug it back in, or you plug in a new one, or you lose connection for some reason, calibrating your wand is necessary, but it's also really simple. So let me show you how to do it. So I just plugged this one in. You can see down here on the left that wand symbol is red. That means it is not connected. All I got to do though, make sure your wand is actually in its spot in the case. You tap on that wand symbol, say run calibration, and that's it. It's done. It's that simple. Now the system knows where that wand is in space, and you're ready to rock. Thanks for watching.